Hello, hello, hello. So hopefully everyone can hear me okay. This is Lana Williams, your financial coach, and I want to take just a little bit of time, maybe 2, 3, 4 minutes, and talk to you about your stimulus check. So I've been seeing a lot of memes going around, and they all involve spending. And I'm going to give you an alternative. So let's just look at a few examples. So let's say that you are not sure what you want to do with your stimulus check. I'm going to offer a option for you. Uh, all right, so this is a calculator, an investment calculator. This is a great site, by the way, calculator.net. I use this often. So let's say you get $1,400, right? And we are going to say you are 45, right? Let's say you're 45 years old and you want to invest your stimulus check for retirement. So we'll say until you are 65. So that would be 20 years. And historically, the average rate of return in the stock market is about 10%. So of course, we have to give all those disclaimers. You know, we can't predict the future. Past performance doesn't determine future performance, et cetera, et cetera. Again, historically, 10%. All right, so you are going to put the $1,400 in. You're not going to touch it. It will compound. We'll leave that at annually. And let's say that you are deciding to do the same thing. So in other words, each year you want to contribute $1,400. If you do that monthly, that is about, calculate that real quick, it's about $117 a month, okay? And we'll say you do that at the beginning of the month, right? For 20 years, boom, look how much you would have, okay? So again, $1,400, $117 a month, that's it. This shows you your contributions approximately and how much you would earn, okay? So what did we say? We said you are 45 for 20 years. Let's say you're 35, okay? And we'll make that 30 years that you, $1,400 stimulus check, $117 a month. Wow, look at the difference. Look at the difference, okay? So if you're 35 years old, you want to do something for your future, here is a great idea. Now, let's say you are 25, okay? This is where it really starts getting fun. So let's say you're 25, all right? And you decide to do the same thing. So for you, that would be 40 years. Watch this, okay? Look at that. Look at that. And again, stimulus check, $117 a month. That's it, okay? For those of you who are visual, here's a nice graph, okay? This tells you your schedule. This is a great site, by the way, okay? I'll go a little slow so you won't get dizzy on the video. Now, let's say you are 20, right? You are 20, or maybe your child is 20, or your niece or nephew are 20, right? 20 years old, so that would be 45 years. That's it, a difference of 5 years. I want you to watch this. How to be a millionaire. Look at that. And again, stimulus check, $117 a month. That is it. Look how much you contribute. I would say in 45 years, if that's all you're contributing and this is your return, that's a pretty good deal. Okay? So just wanted to share that with you. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.